So listen, your girl done got some nature cereal on deck, you know what I'm saying? I finally got that mug, okay. I've been wanting to try this for like, since it began. It's a little TikTok vibe. I don't even know if it started on TikTok. I think it was IG. But this guy, wherever he lives, don't know where, don't remember, but he was like, you know, I'm gonna put y'all on. Y'all know what nature cereal is? If not, I'm about to show you. And that's exactly what he did. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Turn your post notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a video, and give me a big old thumbs up for this video. And do not forget, don't forget to share this video. Let everybody know. And if you make it to the end, drop a lime green heart emoji. Let me know. But anyways, we're gonna get into a prayer thumbnail and then we're gonna dig in. All right, y'all. So if y'all don't know what nature cereal is, I'm gonna tell you what he used first. Pomegranate, blueberries, raspberries, coconut water. Me, I'm using all that, but I'm adding in some good old strawberries because that's what I like. That's what I like. So I'm gonna add it in there. Ain't nothing but fruit. Ain't nothing but fruit in the bowl. And some coconut water. So hey, I say if you like it, throw it in there. It ain't gonna hurt, but it's supposed to give you like a whole lot of energy and just have you feeling good, you know what I'm saying? And it's supposed to help with your digestive system, you know, if you a little constipated, it'll help with that. So, you know, it has its benefits, but you know, we already knew that because that's fruit. You know, fruit is good for you. What I don't like, I know y'all like, hurry up, please, I want to see you eat it. It's coconut water. I do not like coconut water. It's just not it for me. Or when I tried it once. And that was it. That's all I needed. But we're going to get right to the video, okay? It's not supposed to be a long video. It's supposed to be a fun video. You hear me? So, hands are clean. Everything is clean. These are washed. These are the ones I'm using. So we're going to start with putting some pomegranate in here. You know what I'm saying? Like that. Bow. Pop that in that bad boy. I have blueberries and... y'all, I've been calling these bad boys blue raspberries for the longest, knowing that's not the name. I knew it wasn't the name, but I couldn't, it didn't click. So blackberries. Stop saying raspberries. It's blackberries. Raspberries are the ones that look ras. I know. So blueberries, raspberries are in here. Blueberry, blackberries, sorry. Are in here. So we're gonna get a few of those. And another thing, fun fact, I don't like blueberries. I don't think I like raspberries either. Oh. If you say raspberries one more time. Blackberries. They're black, Laterica. They're black. Sheesh. Okay. Then we're gonna get some of the raspberries. I don't think I like these either. We're gonna see, but we definitely gonna throw in some strawberries. Yes, my favorite. All right, so you add in all the fruit, like that. And then you add in the coconut water. I gotta clean the top. It's just a thing I do since I was a kid. I don't know about y'all. How long y'all gotta clock back in? Yeah, y'all seeing all of this. I'm not sure what to say about the smell, but we're gonna pour, okay? So just pour the coconut water, the coconut water, like that. Put that on the side. Got my spoon. Ooh, I don't want to spill it, y'all, but got my spoon, stirring it up, and we finna make it happen. We're gonna get all the fruit. Raspberry, blueberry, pomegranate. It ain't gonna fit. I gotta get a raspberry. Bam, I got it, y'all. And the coconut water. Y'all got that first bite. Y'all like it? Was it good? That's good. Okay, here we go. Oh. Making my eye do that little thing. Mm-hmm. But I'll tell y'all something. Let me get one more bite. Let me make sure. Baby. I like this. Now hold on. Let me make sure I'm not tripping, because I like the coconut water too, and I guess it's because of the fruit, you know. I mean, why wouldn't it be good? It's fruit. Girl, not that you relax. You're spitting everywhere. Relax. But like, who just would have been like, yeah, let me get a bowl of fruit and add some coconut water to that, please. Coconut water? Yes, coconut water. Yes, just like that. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Bruh. I think I'm so baffled. I'm so shocked because it was coconut water. That's what was throwing me out, because I just knew I ain't like coconut water. I knew I didn't. I knew I didn't. But I do though. I do like it. But it was it tart? One of these fruits, again, my eye twitching a little bit. But other than that, this mug is hitting. This mug is really hitting. Mm-hmm. Girl, slow down. Slow down. Ooh, excuse me. Okay. And the fact that I said I don't like blueberries and blackberries like that. Raspberries like that. You know, I'm just not gonna go in there and be like, I'm gonna make me a bowl of raspberries. Yeah, I want some fruit. Let me get some blackberries, please. That hasn't been me. Maybe my taste buds have changed. Or maybe it's this coconut water. But it's good. So if you haven't tried it, go to the store right after this video. Pick up all these ingredients. It's gonna come out about $10. You know what I'm saying? Depending on where you're at. Me? That was $2.99. Raspberries was $2.99. This was $3.99. What I say? $2.99, $2.99. That's $6. I said what? $3.99, that's $4. That's $10 right there. Pomegranate was $2.50. Okay, maybe it was more than $10. God dog, why fruits? It's so expensive eating healthy. It is so expensive eating healthy. Like, why? You know what I'm saying? Why? Why was this more than $10? The pomegranates was 2 for $5. It was on sale. This is a regular $6 can. That's not a can, but $6 thing of blueberries. Got a half off. It was $3 at the end of the day. This $2.99. Why? This $2.99 on sale. Why? That means it was more, baby. And then right here, that coconut water went number 50 cents. But if I tell you one thing, let me try it by itself. Let me see something. I don't really like drinking out the can. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. Maybe it's the brands. This is the brands that make it taste differently. I ain't mad at it. You hear me? Like, refreshing, like it says, baby. And then I seen one girl on TikTok. Girl, I'm out here watching a movie, laid back, you know, I'm laying to the side. Show. Baby, about to kick my feet up, you know? But I had seen a girl on TikTok that put ice cubes in hers. And I don't know if it was so it's a pomegranate that's making my eyes do that. But is it because it's refreshing? Or are you trying to keep your coconut water and stuff, you know, cold still? You know, you don't eat it real fast. It gets a little warm quick. I really came on here. I know I've been talking. Boy, girl, shut up sometimes. But I really just came on here to do a review. It's supposed to have been like a 2-minute video, if that's. But I didn't know it was going to be this good. I didn't know. This is like a snack, you know? Yes, cereal is snack. So this is a fruit cereal snack. Hey, shout out to you though. And when I made this go viral, shout out to you. Because I would have never known. It's one of those. How I go? I never knew I needed this. I never knew I needed this. All right, I'm gonna take like 2 more bites. Now I gotta go back to work. Girl, yeah, Bo beating me up. Slow down and get us together. Okay. So I'm finished that off camera, y'all. But my rating on this is really good. Like, this is really bomb to me. You know, he was like, you gonna feel like a little bit of energy and stuff. I feel it. Girl, I'm sorry, y'all. Spitting. It's the coconut water. It's the coconut water. All right, so I give this a 10 out of 10. Like, no cap. It's good. It's bomb. I loved it. I enjoyed it. I can see me adding this into my little food regimen daily. That's not how I go. But you know what I mean. I definitely would add this in my everyday living, eating and stuff. But yeah, anyways, let me stop playing, y'all. So 10 out of 10, everybody go get you some little ingredients like this, you know what I'm saying? Make your nature cereal and let me know how you like it. Comment down below if you already tried it. And if you did, let me know what you thought about it. But until next time, it's me, LT. I love you. And I'm out. Peace. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Turn your post notification bell so you know if I want to drop a video. Give me a big old thumbs up for this video if you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, don't give me a thumbs down. Just move on to the next video. Drop down a lime green heart emoji if you made it to the end of the video. I'm out. Peace.